Hello and welcome to the weekend edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Philanthropist and DJ Orville Shaggy Burrell continues his mission to provide support to the Bustamante Hospital for Children. Dr. Christopher Tufton, Shaggy and a number of celebrities this morning toured the Bustamante Hospital on the heels of the highly anticipated charity event.
What I'm hoping is what Shaggy does is it causes a domino effect and it just raises the awareness.
Both Wycliffe and Sting kind of say, what is it that we're trying to raise money for, and what is it our commitment is to. Obviously, everybody knows Bustamante is pretty dear to me. Been doing it for quite a long time.
The 6th staging of the Shaggy and Friends benefit concert takes place tomorrow on the lawns of Jamaica House, with a number of top acts billed for the cause. Rayvon, known for his string of successful collaborations with Shaggy, will also make an appearance on the main stage.
Shaggy and Friends is a very good cause, and I've been involved with it from the beginning. So any Shaggy and Friends that's keeping, I'm definitely going to be a part of it.
The artist also shares details on his current projects.
Always working. If you don't see me, that means I'm in the lab cooking up some new product for the fans. You know what I mean? And that's exactly what I've been doing. So I'm here now, and also here in Jamaica promoting a lot of that new sound. One of those new songs is a single called Sugar Cane with a good artist friend of mine called Sugar Bear from the Bronx. Yeah.
Yeah, definitely. Well, the way this singer came about was Willie Daniels and Triton already, Day Sunshine Raven and I to do the song together. And once we came together in the studio, the chemistry was great, everything was great. Raven being the ultimate professional, being the veteran, and I'm learning so much by just being on.
There's another single called Trouble Again, which is a roots rock, dancehall vibe produced by Heavy Roots. And there's more songs coming. I'm gonna come with an EP or album sometime this year. And these songs are coming off my latest distribution deal. I have a label called GTC Entertainment, and the GTC stands for Get That Cheddar. So we're getting that cheese in 2018.
Over the last 11 years, February has been designated Reggae Month, and plans are now in motion to support this year's staging of events. Reggae Month activities are coordinated by the Jamaica Reggae Industry Association, JARIA, and Chairman Ibo Cooper. The 11th staging of Reggae Month will see the return of popular events such as Reggae Wednesdays in Mandela Park, the Trenchtown Music Festival, and the Dennis Brown birthday celebrations. The JARIA Honors Award also takes place under the Reggae Month banner, with this year marking the show's 10th anniversary of highlighting and celebrating the accomplishments of musicians playing their part in the upliftment of reggae music. Plans for the 2018 staging of the Charles Chocolate Dance and Dynamites competition will be unveiled at the launch event this Saturday at the Limelight Club in Halfway Tree. All are invited. Gates open at 7 o'clock. And that's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching.